Mint Mobile operates as a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO, using T-Mobile's network infrastructure while maintaining their own device unlock policies and customer service standards. To unlock your device with Mint Mobile, you must meet 4 key eligibility requirements. These requirements ensure account security and compliance with carrier policies. First, your account must be in good standing with no outstanding balances. This means all bills are paid current and there are no past due amounts on your account. Second, your device must have been active on Mint Mobile for a minimum of 7 days. This waiting period helps prevent fraud and ensures legitimate use of the service. Third, if you financed your device through Mint Mobile, all device payments must be completed before unlock eligibility. This ensures the device is fully paid for. Finally, you must be able to verify your identity and account ownership. This typically involves providing your account PIN and device information for security purposes. The Mint Mobile unlock process follows 5 structured steps designed to ensure security while providing efficient service to eligible customers. Step 1. The system automatically verifies your eligibility by checking your account status, payment history, and service duration against the requirements we just reviewed. Step 2. You submit your unlock request through Mint Mobile's online portal, by phone, or through chat support. The online portal provides the fastest processing. Step 3. Mint Mobile reviews your documentation to verify account ownership and device details. This includes confirming your identity and ensuring the device information matches their records. Step 4. Once approved, an unlock code is generated specific to your device. This technical process varies depending on your device manufacturer and model. Step 5. You receive detailed unlock instructions via email or SMS, then confirm the successful unlock. Mint Mobile maintains a 94% approval rate for eligible requests. The entire process typically takes 2 to 3 business days, making Mint Mobile 40% faster than the industry average for device unlocking. This streamlined approach reflects Mint Mobile's commitment to customer flexibility while maintaining security standards required for prepaid wireless services. Mint Mobile offers 2 distinct types of device unlocks, each designed for different customer needs and situations. Temporary unlocks provide a 30-day window of carrier freedom, specifically designed for international travelers who need to use local SIM cards abroad. Permanent unlocks provide complete carrier freedom once all eligibility requirements are satisfied. This is the most common type of unlock request from Mint Mobile customers. The wireless industry is experiencing significant changes that directly impact device unlock policies, driven by new technologies and regulatory developments. eSIM technology is revolutionizing how we think about carrier switching. Unlike physical SIM cards, eSIMs are embedded directly in devices and can be programmed remotely. 5G networks introduce new complexities for device unlocking, with advanced network functions and interfaces that require updated unlock procedures. Regulatory pressure is mounting for carriers to provide faster unlock services. The FCC is considering reducing unlock periods, while state legislation pushes for more consumer-friendly policies. Following best practices when requesting a device unlock can significantly improve your experience and reduce processing time. First, always have your account PIN and device IMEI number readily available. The IMEI is a unique identifier found in your phone's settings under About. Physical SIM card management is still important even as eSIM technology grows. Understanding your SIM tray and card handling helps ensure smooth unlock testing. While device unlocking provides freedom, there are important challenges and considerations to keep in mind before making the switch. Device compatibility is a major consideration. Not all unlocked devices work optimally on every network, especially when switching between different network technologies. Warranty considerations are also important. Unlocking your device may affect manufacturer warranty terms, and some carriers provide limited technical support for unlocked devices on their networks. Looking ahead, the device unlock landscape continues to evolve with technological advancement and changing consumer expectations driving new innovations. These technological advances promise to make device unlocking faster, more automated, and more user-friendly. giving consumers greater flexibility in choosing their wireless service providers.